Hey everyone! First impressions are everything in the creative world, and on Behance, your thumbnail or cover image is the absolute front door to your work. If you've noticed your project isn't getting the engagement it deserves, it might be the thumbnail that's holding you back. Today, I'm taking you through the full step-by-step process of updating your project cover in 2026 to ensure your portfolio looks sharp, professional, and click-worthy. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Behance account. Head over to your profile page by clicking your avatar in the top right. Once you're there, look through your work and find the specific project you want to update. As you hover your mouse over the project cover, a small blue pencil icon will appear. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will load the project builder, where all your images and text are stored. Now that you're in the editor, we need to find the Management panel. Look at the very top of your screen on the right-hand side. You'll see a button labeled Settings, or if you're currently editing a draft, it might say Continue. Click that. A modal window will pop up in the center of your screen. This is the brain of your project, where you handle the title, tags, and most importantly, the visual preview that everyone sees in the feed. Inside the Settings modal, look for the big preview of your current cover and click the link that says Edit Cover Image. You have two great options here. You can scroll through the images already inside your project to pick a standout moment, or for the best results, you can click the plus button to upload a custom-designed thumbnail from your computer. I always recommend using a JPEG file here because Behance's compression handles them much better than PNGs, keeping your profile loading fast. Here is a crucial detail for 2026. Behance standardizes these thumbnails to display at 202 by 158 pixels. However, to make sure your work looks crystal clear on high-resolution Retina and 4K screens, you should upload your image at 8:8 by 632 pixels. That's exactly 4 times the display size. Once it's uploaded, use the slider tool at the bottom to zoom in or out and drag the image to perfectly center your subject. When it looks perfect, click Crop and Continue. Before we finish, take a quick second to check your project title and tags in this same window, as these help you get discovered. Once everything looks good, click the Done button at the bottom of the modal. Finally, and this is the most important part, click the green Update Project button in the top right corner of the main editor. This pushes your changes live to the Behance network. Give it a minute to sync, and your new high-quality cover is ready to attract some new clients. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.